We believe people are your most valuable asset. We're here to help you find the best people and provide you with the tools they need to succeed. Solid People are a CAD recruitment specialist and SolidWorks and 3D Experience reseller. With our unique combination of services, we're here to support businesses as well as individuals such as job seekers and those committed to professional development succeed in the CAD industry. With our 5 key services, we can help grow your design team, provide you with SolidWorks and 3D Experience roles on simple monthly subscription, improve productivity with certified SolidWorks training, keep you on track with technical support, and support you with SolidWorks consultancy projects that you may wish to outsource. We've been helping companies hire CAD specialists for well over a decade. Whether you're looking for your next full-time superstar designer, need to fill a resource gap with a contractor, or just need a freelancer for a few hours, we've got you covered. As a company run by engineers for engineers, we're uniquely placed to find you the right candidates with the right skills. CAD professionals come to us because we're so specialist, and our network is vast and it's always growing.
Recruiting new permanent staff is never easy and often very time consuming. Making the wrong hire can be costly in many ways. We work closely with you to fully understand the business, the role, and the type of designer you're looking for. We don't just rely on candidates coming to us, we go out and find candidates for you. Only when we find that they're a great match for the business, we'll introduce them to you. If you're looking to start your career in CAD and are keen to move up the career ladder, then it makes sense to partner with a recruitment agency that really understands the industry. We'll take the time to really understand what your next ideal job looks like. Once you're matched up, we'll support you in CV advice, interview prep, your notice, and also the onboarding.
As an authorised SolidWorks and 3D Experience reseller, we can support you with industry-leading CAD tools. Our simple monthly subscription packages allow you to get started with SolidWorks with lower upfront costs and monthly payments, ideal for SMEs, startups, contractors and freelancers. All of our SolidWorks subscriptions include your SolidWorks license, technical support, product upgrades, and uniquely, our entry-level CAD recruitment services. We know from experience that companies are unlikely to invest in a new SolidWorks license for a project that may only last 2 to 3 months. If you're looking to win more work as a contractor or freelancer, then investing in your own SolidWorks license can help win more work. And it doesn't stop there. Partner with us for your SolidWorks license and we'll help you find more contracts through our established recruitment business.
Whether you're a business owner looking to improve the productivity of your design team, or a job seeker committed to the improvement of your employment status, as an authorised SolidWorks training centre, we can help. On-site instructor-led training is fantastic, but we have the alternative virtual instructor-led training. Delivered remotely, you can enrol on accredited SolidWorks courses without the overheads of travel or accommodation. All attendees prior to the course will receive the official SolidWorks training manual. They'll also receive a certificate upon completion of the course, and if they're feeling confident, they can take an official certification. Our SolidWorks consultants are here to support your business and your existing team whenever they can't take on certain work or don't have the skills to do so. We fill the gap between not being able to do the work and having to hire a full-time contractor. Whether it's reverse engineering, product visualization or conceptual CAD, our team has the right skills and tools to provide a broad range of services.